Coming soon. It's time to live your permanent vacation at Sandpiper Key. Say goodbye to maintenance and enjoy the island vibes of Manasota Key. This rarely available bayfront condo with a private garage, separate efficiency apartment and elevator is ready to welcome you with breathtaking water views and sunsets daily and is being offered turnkey furnished. Amazing location within a short walking or biking distance to the tropical beaches, restaurants, tiki bars and shops on Manasota Key. Community amenities include use of the clubhouse, barbecue grills and picnic tables throughout the complex, TOU waterfront community pools, kayak launch, cable TV, trash, water and sewer, pest control, maintenance of the grounds and exterior of the building plus exterior building insurance coverage. This beautiful condo has been lovingly cared for by the current owners and has been improved and remodeled thoroughly, including a new air conditioner in 2025. Bonus, first level has a separate efficiency apartment/in-law suite for your guests to enjoy. This efficiency apartment has its own private entrance via the garage, access to the elevator, a spacious living room furnished with a pull-out sofa and wall-mounted TV, built-in closet, full-size refrigerator, dining area, and fully updated bathroom. The main living area of the condo is on the third floor and can be accessed via the elevator on the first level or via the rear entry stairs. As you enter the main home, you'll immediately be drawn to the amazing water views of Lemon Bay, open concept living area and tasteful decor. You'll notice updates throughout, such as recessed lighting, plantation shutters, and an electric pull-down shade for the sliders. The kitchen has been remodeled and features stainless steel appliances and ample cabinet storage, granite counters, and a breakfast bar. The primary bedroom suite is carpeted and has its own private balcony and ensuite bathroom, which offers a walk-in closet, separate vanity area, and bathroom with a tiled walk-in shower. The garage is very clean and houses the laundry area, storage, and has had a beautiful epoxy flooring upgrade. With all these updates, amenities, and great location near the beach, you'll be sure to fall in love.